Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's how to get the best quality on your videos on iPhone. First, go into settings, then down to camera, tap camera, record video is just normal video, and then record slow motion is just a slow motion video. Record video for your normal video. And then the best one you can get is 4K at 60 frames per second, then 4K at 30 frames per second, then 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, 1080p HD at 30 frames per second, then 720p HD at 30 frames per second. Choose the one that suits you best. Then for slow motion video, tap record slow motion. 720p HD won't be as good picture quality as 1080p HD, but as it's got 240 frames per second, it will be smoother than 120 frames per second. So choose the one that is the best for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.